Welcome to Session 16, Parallel and Perpendicular Lines. Today, you will identify parallel and perpendicular slopes, handle vertical and horizontal line exceptions, and write a related line through a specified point. Watch the structure, not just the arithmetic, because each move must preserve the meaning of the problem. The visual gives us the central idea. Parallel lines preserve the same direction and steepness. Perpendicular non-vertical lines rotate that direction by 90 degrees, which changes the slope to its negative reciprocal. Horizontal and vertical lines form the special zero/undefined perpendicular pair. Use this first move. Rewrite each line in slope-intercept form unless it is vertical. Then, keep the same slope for a parallel line. Worked example, parallel line. Find the line parallel to y equals 4x7 through 2, 3. Step 1. A parallel line uses slope 4. Step 2. Point slope form. y3 equals 4, x2. Step 3. Simplify. Y equals 4x5. The final answer is y equals 4x5. Check that it satisfies the original conditions and carries the correct units. Now it is your turn. Write the line perpendicular to y equals 1 divided by 4x3 through 0, 2. Pause, write each algebra step, and use the next 6 seconds to finish your solution. Here is the modeled solution. The answer is y equals minus 4x plus 2. The perpendicular slope is minus 4, and the given point is the y-intercept. Verify it against the exact wording before moving on. Session 16 recap. Rewrite each line in slope-intercept form unless it is vertical. Next, keep the same slope for a parallel line. Then, flip and change the sign for a perpendicular slope. Finally, use the required point to determine the new intercept. A complete solution shows the reasoning, checks the result, and states what the answer means.